Good morning! Today we're gonna make cassava bowl. So, cassava bowl is delicacy from where I came from Samar. So, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Oh, later can see you naman. Okay, open natin sa channel natin. So what are you gonna tell them, Ellie?
Mom.
Nagbo-vlog siya.
Hey, show me that. Turn on.
And now we're done grating the cassava. So next, we need to get rid of the juice of it because it's bitter. Mapait siya, so kailangan natin siyang squeeze out yung juice gamit itong muslin fabric. Kung wala kayong muslin, ano to, para yung lampin ng mga babies, yun po yung muslin cloth. So, here, just enough to a handful para lang mapigano siya. So, squeeze. See the juice? Ayan na siya. So, just gonna put it on the side. And then we do the rest of the cassava. You can also make cassava cake. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yan. Piga, piga. That's it. Now we're done. Okay, let's finish. On the side. Now itong juice, you can use it as well, but it's quite bitter. Yeah, it's like cornstarch. It tastes like cornstarch. Parang ganun siya. Sa amin, may mga gumagawa nito. I don't know how she did it. Ginagawa niya itong isang like snack dessert. We call it looping. I don't know if anybody knows about it, but probably not. Probably no one. So I'm just gonna throw this away. Now, ito na siya. Ito na siya, guys. Hahatiin ko siya sa dalawang portion. Gonna divide it into 2 portions. Because I'm gonna put color. Pink. Pink color gel here. Kailangan i-focus natin siya sa camera. And dalawang color siya, pink and white. Para lang siya magkaroon ng, para lang siya maging colorful. See.
So, dito naman tayo sa white. I-mix natin yung white. Yan. Putol na naman yung ulo ko. Yan siya.
So, ngayon naman, bibilugin na natin siya. Ganyan, small pieces lang. Ayan. Hindi ko kasi alam mo ito. Ganyan siya. Huwag nyo na tingnan yung chan ko. Alam ko malaki yung chan ko. So, don't look in there. Look in here and what I'm cooking. Ayan. Sana matapos na itong lockdown kasi para mabalik na sa normal yung mga buhay-buhay natin. Ayan na siya. Ngayon nilalagay na natin sa steamer. Kulong tubig. Lid on. Next naman ay gagawa tayo ng hot cake. So, favorite afternoon snack din namin ito sa amin. So, what we need is an egg. And 2 eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs, but I'm going to separate the whites and the yolks. So, yun muna ang gagawin natin. Yung anak ko po nasa bahay. Ellie, what do you do to Daddy upstairs? Just gonna whisk this. Ganyan na siya. So, set it on the side. Then, flour. Siguro mga ano lang. Kasi sa aming tatlo lang siya. Mga half a cup lang siya ng plain flour. And then, kasi gusto ko mayroon siyang flavor, zest of a lemon. Tapos, sugar. And then baking powder. Mapapansin niyo po yung boses niya. And then baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder. I-mix natin yan. Now we're gonna put our liquid ingredients, so 2 yolks. In goes 2 yolks. Milk. Nilagay ko na siya dito sa saan tayo nilagay yung egg yolk para walang masayang, di ba? Tipid-tipid. Okay. Then, i-add na natin yung egg whites. And we're gonna use the spatula para hindi natin para yung air. Tapos, pag minix mo siya, one way lang. Tapos dahan-dahan. Kasi what we need is yung air from the... Hindi natin gusto na mawala yung air from the whites. Basta yun na yun, guys. Andito na naman yung anak ko makulit. Dati nung bata ako, nasa lugar ako, nasa summer ako, naglalako kami ng hot cake, banana cue, scramble, ice scramble, ayun. Kasi maliit lang siya na island. And then, pag masipag ka doon, magkakaroon ka rin ng income. Hindi nga lang siya ganun kalaki, but at least it helps. So, ayan na siya. If you see, meron siya mga bubbles dyan. Focus ba? Meron siya mga bubbles. So, yun ang gusto natin. Right. So, guys, ganyan na siya. Medyo malapit na yun maluto. Okay? So, ilagay lang natin sa side yung mix natin for the pancake, and then it rests para ma-absorb lahat ng flavor, and then mag-work yung ating baking powder. And then while we're waiting for that, we're gonna make raspberry coulis para ipo-pour natin sa sa pancake. So, sa amin, syempre walang raspberry. Ginagawa namin is, i-roll lang namin, gonna rub it with butter and then sugar, custard sugar, and we're just gonna roll it and then we eat it. But dito, since maraming mga prutas dito, ayun, gagawa ako ng pudding. Para lang maiba. Tapos sugar. Try this. If it's cooked na, yung ating cassava ball. Try natin kung luto na. Cook. Huh? Patayin na natin siya and let it cool. So, luto na yung cassava ball natin. Papalamigin lang natin siya ng konti bago natin siya ilagay sa skewer. So guys, ganito lang kasimple gumawa ng ng curry. Yan lang siya. Kunamin lang natin yung niya, yung sugar. Nawawala ako sa camera. So, tunawin lang natin yung sugar and then it will be ready soon. Can't wait! So, sa amin, yung cassava bowl namin is kinu-coat namin siya with fresh grated coconut. Pero wala tayong coconut dito, so I was thinking of something else. Ano kaya? Tingnan natin sa ating pantry kung ano meron tayo. I'll be back. Okay, ngayon naman, luluto na natin yung ating hot cake. I know sabi ko kanina pancake, but yeah, it's the same recipe as pancake. But we called it in my barangay hot cake. So, anyways, kung ano ang gusto nyo doon, bahala na kayo. So, ayan. I use olive oil. So, I use this small pan kasi per one portion ng aking ipiprito. Okay. Just gonna brush it with oil. I have a brush here para mas-spread natin ang oil sa dito para hindi mag-stick yung ating batter. Okay. Ito yung secret. I-ano mo lang siya. Move mo lang siya para mag-spread yung yung mix. Pakita ko sa inyo. Andiyan na naman yung anak ko, parating na naman. So guys, habang niluluto natin yung hot cake natin, i-assemble na natin yung ating cassava bowl. Yan. Ito na siya. And then yung pancake natin.
Mommy, I want milk.
Nak, ang dami mo nang nainom na milk. Enough na, oy.
Mommy!
No!
Mommy!
Oy, don't scream.
Mommy, I want milk.
Enough the milk. Why don't you
Mommy!
drink water?
I don't want to drink water.
Oy, stop shouting, Elizabeth.
I don't want to drink water, Mom. I don't want to.
Ayan siya.
Oh, I don't want
So I have a skewer here.
water.
Ilagay natin. Look at mommy. Look what mom's going to do. Ayan. Mainit po siya, kaya be careful when you're doing this.
Mama, can you do?
Very, very hot.
I want coffee.
ho! Tayo sa pancake natin. Luto na siya.
No.
Next batch.
Mom, can I do it? Can I do it, Mommy?
Later, darling, please. It's very hot, Elizabeth. You be careful.
Mommy? Mom, can I do
I
it?
told you it's very hot. So alternate colors lang siya. White, red, and white.
That's it.
Ayan! Look, ang cute! It's like cassava kebab. Lagay natin dyan.
1, 2,
Another one.
1, 2, 3. Freak! Freak, white, freak, red.
Very nice, isn't it?
Mom, can I do it, Mommy?
You want to do it? Okay, do it. Get your own. So white first. Do the white first. White.
Mommy,
Okay. Good. To the white. Careful, it's very hot. Ayan, ganito lang siya kasimple. Di ba parang ano naglalaro? Napakasaya.
Mommy.
I'll go back to my pancake. To my pancake. Pwede niyo po i-involve yung mga anak niyo. Kasi ano po siya, napaka-saya siyang gawin. Kasi colorful. Wala, saya-saya. Basta ano siya.
Mom.
No, last one na yan. Last one na. Yay! So that's it. Gonna put it there because we're gonna take a photo. Do you want to eat it?
Go check the door.
May sobra pong dalawa.
Mom, we need to
Not enough.
Can we eat this, Mom?
Enough.
Here.
So since wala tayong coconut, sprinkle lang natin siya with powdered sugar. Put it down, please. Put it down.
I want to eat.
Para lang makita nila.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yan.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Nice and sugar. Ang gagawin natin, i-rub lang natin siya ng butter. Ayan. Rub natin siya ng butter. Ayan. Tapos i-roll natin siya. Lagay natin sa dish. I-roll natin. Ayan. Same with the others. Na-brush ko na po siya ng butter kanina kasi you have to brush the butter while it's still hot. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Process. Ngayon, sasalain ko lang yung kuli. Please do not, Ellie, I'm nearly finished.
I need to eat.
No, not yet. I haven't taken the photo yet.
Please, Mommy.
Elizabeth, please, no.
Had a bite.
No, no.
I had a bite.
Not yet. I'm not finished yet.
I had a bite. No, no, no.
Ayan guys, tapos i-ano lang natin yung kuli natin dito.
No, had a bite. No, no, no. Had a bite. No, no, no.
Sa pancake
No,
natin.
no, no.
Ayan, and then powdered sugar. sprinkled with powdered sugar. Yay! Yay! Ayun guys, ayun ang ating favorite Filipino snack. I'll show you. Ayan. Ayan siya. Cassava bowl. And then hot cake. That's it. So those are just a few of my childhood favorite snacks. And hopefully you enjoyed watching it. And please do not forget to subscribe and like my video. See you soon.